In the video now. There's Grandma in her natural habitat. Outside working. I'm holding the camera, otherwise I'd be helping you right alongside you. So I gotta hold the camera.
That's how I got to be 80 years old, working my butt off.
That's right. There you go. She cut the tree by herself by hand. No, I was kidding. It was willows, French pussy willows. It's called.
You want to sit on a chair and rot?
Over half those had dead branches on them, so I don't know. There's probably a certain way they should have been trimmed or something. But if you want to sit and rot, be a couch potato.
Right.
Grew up on a farmer's diet.
Right. But watching all that television.
All them videos, huh?
Get out there and do some work.
I totally agree. Some of us gotta go out there and record videos.
Somebody's gonna do it, huh?
That's right. This is our secret technique. Oh, you got the thing there, Mom.
I have.
The leaf guard that the squirrel brought down.
I wonder if you can see the squirrel.
Yeah, right. Secret squirrel.
Yeah.
Thanks. Got that pile cleaned up nice. Give us a thumbs up, Mama. Thank you.